how to put multiple ads on your YouTube videos. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can enable mid-roll ads on your longer videos so that you can place multiple ads in those videos and you can make more money from those videos. And if you don't know how to do that, then this video is gonna be very helpful for you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. Now let's begin the tutorial. So according to YouTube, videos that are 8 minutes or longer, you can actually enable ads during the middle of those videos, which is also known as mid-roll ads. And also you can place those ads at the beginnings and ends of your videos as well. So guys, in order to do that, first what you're gonna do, log into your YouTube channel. And once you're logged into your YouTube channel, click on your profile icon at the top right. And then click on your channel. And in your YouTube channel, click on manage videos. And now you will be in your YouTube channel content. Most of my videos are already monetized and I already have turned on monetization of each and every video. But here you can see monetization of this video is up, and actually I have not put any ads in this video as well. And this is actually a longer video which is about 10 minutes long, means I can manage mid-roll ads in this video. So guys, to do that, what you're gonna do, first you have to turn on monetization of your video. So if you have longer video, first click on that video and then click on this dollar icon monetization. And guys, in order to enable these ads, you have to first turn on monetization of this video. And here you can turn on monetization of your video. So tap on here and then turn it on. And then click on next. And here scroll down all the way to the end and click on none of the above. And then click on submit. Now monetization of this video has been turned on, and here you can see now you can put these ads in this video. So here I'm gonna put all these ads. So I'm gonna select all these ads. After putting these ads, scroll down, and here you can see guys during video mid-roll ads, and here you can enable mid-roll ads in your longer video. By the way, after enabling this ad, you have to put ads manually in your video. So first enable this ad, and also if you want after video ads in your video, then also you can enable here. And I don't want my video to show up before video ads, so I'm gonna turn it up. And guys, now here you can manage mid-roll ads. So click on manage mid-roll ads. And now here guys, you can place mid-roll ads in your video and you can do it manually. And how you can do that guys, here first you have to select any timestamp and then you have to click on add break. And as you can see, I have successfully put a ads in this video. Now let me put another ads in my video. So let me select a timestamp and then I'm gonna click on add break. Here you go, another ad. Now let me put another ad. As you can see, I have put 3 ads manually in my video, and this is actually how you can put mid-roll ads in your video. Now after putting multiple ads in your video, you have to save these settings. So to do that, click on continue and then here click on save. And as you can see, monetization of this video has been turned on, and I have successfully put ads and mid-roll ads in this video. And this is pretty much it is guys. This is how you can put multiple ads on your YouTube videos and you can make more money from your YouTube videos. And if you found this video helpful, then do me a big favor by hitting that like and subscribe button. And if you want to link your bank account to YouTube so that you can transfer your YouTube money to your bank account, then watch this video and I will see you in the next one.